Hello everyone, this is Bhagyashree and today we are going to see the features of WordPress version 5.7. So on 9th of March, the latest version 5.7 of WordPress is released. It has lots of new features added, that is drag and drop of the blocks, vertical horizontal alignment to the buttons, one-click migration of HTTP website to the HTTPS and many more. So let's go directly to screen and see these features one by one. Alright, so I have installed the WordPress version 5.7. So we'll see the features one by one. So first feature is drag and drop blocks. So to see that, let's go to the page. So earlier what was happening, to add the blocks, if you want to add block in this place, I will have to go to this particular position and then click on the add block. But with the new feature, you can just drag and drop block anywhere. So let's see, if I want to drag here, I can click here, or let's say anywhere here, I can just drag and drop this block here. So this is the first feature. The second feature is a font size adjustment in the various block has been added. So there are list block. So in the list block, if you go here, you will see now the option for the font size. So from here you can choose the any font size, or even you can choose the custom font size. So this is the second feature. The third feature is the full height alignment of the cover. So here I have added one cover section. So earlier there was option of the full width cover, right? So I will just give demo here. So we have added the cover section which is of the full width. Now with the new feature, you can make this cover the full height. So there is option that is toggle full height. So what you have to do, just click on this, and if I update this, so it will occupy the full height of the screen. So if you can check, so I am here. So if you see, it is occupying the entire screen. So for the cover, you can use the background color or the background image. It will definitely help in create the beautiful layout. So these are the 3 points we have covered. So next 4th point is the social icon sizes. So with the WordPress 5.7, you can choose, or you can basically change the sizes of the social icons. So just add the social media block here, and here you will see the size. So with this you can change the size to normal, large, or the huge, or the small. So as per your requirement, you can change the size of the social media icons. The next and really good feature which has been added in the WordPress is the improved buttons. We have added buttons here, right? So with the new version, you can basically will able to change the vertical, or let's say horizontal alignment of the button. So if I select this, let's say if I selecting this block, and on the right hand side you will see the transfer to variation option. So using this, basically you can align the buttons vertically or horizontally. So I can change the alignment. Then the next important feature in the button is you can basically give the width to the button. So from here, I can simply change the width of the button. So you can make it 100% or 50% as per your requirement. So these are few features which added in the editor. Drag and drop block, font size changes, social icon sizes, full height alignment for the cover, and the buttons. Now there are other few features has been added, so we'll see that as well. So let's go back to the dashboard. The next feature which I am going to show you is the WP admin new color palette. So to check that, you will have to go to the profile, and this is right. So this is the admin colors palette. So with the latest version, this palette has been updated. Various shades has been added in this palette. So if you see this, so just hover. So there are various color you can see here, right? So there are lots of shades added here, and it's really good. So see, so various features, or you can say various shades of the colors has been added. The next important, and that is really great point, is like converting HTTP site to the HTTPS. So before 5.7, there is the lengthy, or you can say the tedious process to convert the HTTP site to the HTTPS, because you will have to change the URLs from HTTP to the HTTPS manually. But with the latest version of the WordPress, you can do that with the single button click. So to do that, you can just go to the tools, go to site health, and here it will show you whether your website is having HTTP or HTTPS. So once you open this, you will see here option to convert the HTTP site to the HTTPS. Right now, there is no SSL certificate installed in this website. So here it's not showing the button, right? So because HTTPS, we need SSL certificate which is not yet installed. But let's consider if you have installed the SSL certificate and your website is in HTTP, then you will easily able to convert that site into HTTPS with a single button click. All the conversion of the URLs will managed by the WordPress. So this is really important feature. Next feature which will help you in improvising the site, you can say the speed of your website, that is using the feature that is lazy load iframe. So in the WordPress 5.5, we know that the lazy load feature for the images has been already added, right? But with the WordPress 5.7, you can now lazy load the iframe. So definitely with this feature, if you have lots of iframe, then with this feature, your website speed will gradually improve. So these are few features which have been added with the WordPress version 5.7. Thank you for watching this video. If you like the video, then don't forget to click on the like button below and subscribe to this channel for getting updates of the WordPress.